All right, so now I'm going to remove. I kind of already cheated. I kind of already got everything pretty much loose. So the first step is to remove this nut here on the front sprocket. Set that over here. Remove this little washer here. It's a lock washer or lock ring. All right, so at this point, what I'm going to do to make things easier, because I am replacing the chain here, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off the rear tire. That'll allow me to kind of pull this sprocket off easier. Plus I have to take it off anyway in order to put on the rear sprocket. So I might as well kill two birds with one stone right now. So